This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get your loadout in off the grid step by step. Begin by assessing spawn location and nearby loot spawns, then decide if you will rush or stealth. Check available stash space and drop non-essential junk to make room for mission items. Take note of enemy tendencies and safe houses on the map. Adjust your priorities based on teammates and mission objectives. Identify must-have items quickly so you can move fast and smart. Look for a reliable primary, a concealable backup, and extra magazines to avoid early reload problems. Scoop medkits, bandages, and painkillers so you can recover from fights and continue objectives. Include utility items like a multi-tool for access and extra batteries for scopes. If you have teammates, coordinate who carries which heavy items. Move cautiously through areas with known spawns and keep to cover whenever possible to reduce encounters. Listen for footsteps and shots to triangulate threats and decide whether to engage or bypass. When you find better gear, consider quick trades to balance mobility and protection. If you secure key mission items, prioritize extraction over chasing more loot to lock in progress and avoid losing everything to a single bad fight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.